Hi, everybody. Today I will guide everyone to grow bitter melon at home very effectively. Bitter melon is not only a delicious dish, bitter melon also helps improve the cardiovascular system, supports diabetes treatment, helps reduce blood cholesterol. To get healthy young plants, I choose very strong seeds to sow. I took a 20-liter can and punched holes in it to plant bitter melon. I use a 1.5-liter bottle, cut it and punch holes at the bottom, put kitchen waste in it to make green compost, organic fertilizer. I want the plant to grow quickly when planted, so I mix worm castings with the soil to plant the plant. Now the seeds have sprouted and produced very healthy young plants that I will plant. When the tree is newly planted, I need to add more water to create moisture for the tree to grow. Then I will put kitchen waste in to make compost. At any stage, plants need nutrients and water. I also add kitchen waste to compost. To make the tree stand firmer and stronger, I added more soil to the base. At this stage, the plant is starting to climb, so I use bamboo sticks to make a trellis for the roots to climb. At this stage, the tree needs a lot of nutrients to absorb nutrients for fruit. I mix liquid fertilizer with water to water the tree. This is also the time when pests and molds invade very quickly. I mix garlic with water and spray it on the plants. Garlic is very effective in repelling mosquitoes and insects. When the tree has flowered and is bearing fruit, I pollinate the female flowers with male flowers. It's amazing, everyone. In just 2 months, the tree I planted produced a lot of fruit. Now I will harvest them and cook them. Thank you for visiting my video. Have a nice day. Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much.